Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to talk about the new Honor 9S. So Honor 9S is the latest affordable smartphone launched in India by Honor. So this is an entry-level smartphone where Honor is targeting people who are actually using feature phones and want to upgrade to a smartphone. So for them, this is a pretty good option. It's an entry-level affordable smartphone with quite good hardware being offered. This device has a 5.45 inches HD plus resolution display. It is powered by the MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core processor. It has 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage being offered. You can also expand the storage via micro SD card. It also comes with an 8 megapixel rear camera and a 5 megapixel selfie camera. And you also get a 3020 mAh capacity battery. So if you look at the hardware and the pricing being offered, 6499 is the pricing. So for that pricing, this offering is a pretty good and offers decent hardware as well. Moving on, let's talk about Huawei's AppGallery. So AppGallery is basically an app store to download all the apps on your Honor 9S. So this is a well-developed app gallery and now available in India. You can get all the basic apps you can see on this device. You can see that once you set up the app gallery, you can create your own account. You can just set up your account, and once you started using the device, you can easily download the apps. It's very similar to any other app store and it's very easy to use. It has apps in different categories. You can see that different categories are there. Top apps are there listed. Then you can manage your own apps. You can see the installation manager, installation packages. Quick app manager is also there. You can see all the updates what you get on your device. So in different categories, you can see that you can go with the games, business apps, then education, finance, lifestyle, navigation and support. So it has apps in all the categories whichever you generally use on a smartphone. So it has a wide range of app collection and also in different categories as well. So using the app gallery has been a really good experience. Our experience has been really nice, and if you want to go ahead and search apps, you can go ahead and search apps. You can download apps easily, and let's just do how to download. Say for example the Hungama Music. You can see that these are available here. Just click the install button and it will start downloading. You can see that downloading and installation is very fast and very easy as well. You just create your account with the app gallery, and once you're done, you can start using the app. So it's very easy, and the experience of using the apps and installing the apps is very simple. You can see that now we have installed this app, the Hungama app, and it works really well. So this is how you can install apps from the app gallery. So Huawei's app gallery has all the features and apps you would require on a daily basis. So many of you have been asking us how would you go ahead and install apps on the Huawei 9S. So it's very simple, and the app gallery experience has been really great, and you can see that all the basic apps you require and all the popular apps are available in the app gallery. Now, as I said before, there are different categories and a lot of popular apps like banking apps like HDFC, ICICI, SBI, Paytm is there, Map, My India, and entertainment apps are also included here. So it has a wide range of apps supported, and Huawei says that 95% of the top 160 apps in India are already on board the app gallery, and 85% of the top 500 apps in India are available through app gallery and the Petal search. So we'll talk about the Petal search in a while, and it will soon achieve around 5,000 popular apps in the app gallery. So that is pretty much nearby. So that's the app gallery. Now there is a Petal search application. So Petal search is an in-house application which provides a great experience, and it is a one-stop application for all your needs. So once you open the Petal search, you can see that there are 3 tabs available. So you can see that For You tab shows you all the latest updates happening around you. You can get all the detailed news that is happening around you. Then you can see there is a search button. You can literally search for anything with the Petal search. Now if you're searching for a particular app, for example, I just searched the Ghana app. So Ghana app, when I search, it will show, if when it's an app, it will show in the app gallery. You can see that I can just go ahead and install the Ghana application. Now if the particular app is not in the app gallery, it will actually show you the link to download the app. For example, if I search WhatsApp, if I just go ahead and search WhatsApp, so there you go, I just searched WhatsApp, and you can see that you can install from the official store. So these are the options in the Petal search, and it's a very good application. Actually, it's just not for app search. You can literally search anything with the Petal search on the Honor 9s. Now there are different ways of installing an app on the Honor 9s. One is that you can go ahead and go to the system and updates. There is an option called phone clone. So you can actually install apps using this. You can clone from another phone and install apps. The second option is to go to the Huawei's AppGallery, as I said before. Now if you don't find an app in the AppGallery, you can go with the Petal search and get the link to download the app, and you can also use the quick apps option to get apps. So these are the different options. Petal search, as I said before, is one of the really useful tools where you can search for literally anything and get links, download options. Everything is included in the Petal search. So it's basically an in-house application for all your needs on the Honor 9s. So as I said before, almost all of the popular apps are available in India. For example, Hungama Music, MX Player, Roposo, Map My India, then InShots, Z News, DigiLocker, Arogya Setu, Beam application. Apart from the banking application like HDFC, ICICI, SBI, Paytm, Ghana, all those things are available on the AppGallery. So it's a full-fledged gallery which should be able to get you almost like all the popular apps available for an Android smartphone. So this is powered by Android 10 and the Magic UI, offering great experience. So looking at all the aspects of the hardware, the software, the Huawei's AppGallery, the Honor 9s is definitely a good entry-level budget smartphone which is priced 6,499, and if you're looking to upgrade from your feature phone, this is one of those really good smartphones to choose. Now the device will be available on Flipkart starting August 6th, and the pricing, although is 6,499, you can actually get at 500 rupees discount, which is again a really good deal because 5,999 pricing. It's an entry-level smartphone which offers good hardware, good software, and an all-round package at 5,999 pricing, and you can pick it from Flipkart using the links available in our description. So that was the features and the AppGallery and other hardware aspects about the Honor 9s. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.